The new Surface Laptop. Go beyond traditional laptops and think in color with next-generation Surface Laptop 2. With more power for your passions, the fast 8th Gen Intel Core processor and all-day battery life means you can start that side hustle you've been dreaming about, then treat yourself to a little downtime. Stream your favorite movies and music on Netflix, Spotify, and iTunes. Let your ideas flow through your fingers on the 13.5-inch touchscreen and comfortable keyboard, covered with luxurious Alcantara material. Get started right away with confidence, thanks to time-saving Windows features and security you know. And stay productive with Office 365. You can complement your style with a choice of beautiful colors like cobalt blue, burgundy, platinum, and new black. Work and unwind in style with the new Surface Laptop 2.